What's up, guys? Welcome back to Life of Drive. Dan Thiessen here, and I am super excited because today we are going to the Crazy Farm in Markham for a RaceLab driving event where I'm going to learn how to drive rally car properly. We're going to hop in the Focus RS, we're going to take off, go down to Crazy Farm, get signed in, and we're going to do a bunch of laps in their car with an instructor to figure out, learn what we're doing, and then we're going to do some laps in the Focus RS afterwards. It is so clean right now. It is going to be so dirty at the end. Follow along because it's going to be some crazy content. Here we go. Here we go. Alright guys, we are here at Crazy Farm and it is time to get our rally on. You can see how beautiful the scenery is. This is Crazy Farm. I'm super excited. We're gonna go hook up the GoPros to the Subaru WRX and we're gonna have some fun. Let's get going. What a beautiful piece of property. I am so excited. We're about to get going soon. This is gonna be a blast, guys. Here we go.
Just a recce lap. Good? So this will be the start of the course.
What have you been driving now?
Racing. So my family got involved in 2008 in desert racing in Mexico.
Cool.
And then since about 2016 I've been rallying in Canada.
Cool. You locally, or is it like a national circuit?
It's a national championship, but most of the races that I've done are in Quebec or Ontario. Sorry about that.
And what kind of, is it a Subaru that you drove?
Yep. Yeah. The car before us, it's they're doing probably a recce lap right now, so they're just
feeling it
a little slower, like the lap we did, so that's why there's a little bit more of a wait right now, but it should be quicker after that.
Do you enjoy the instruction side, like teaching side of things?
Yeah, I do for sure. It's always nice to see students progress.
Yeah. So we're good to go. He just gave me the thumbs up. I'm good.
Yep, you're good to go. You got a good amount of laps, so just like you said, feel it out, build the pace, and again you'll see that on your GoPro, which is actually nice. You're letting the wheels slide back when you're unwinding. So don't bring that hand over until you get to the crossover point. On the throttle there. And again, you're sliding the wheel there and unwinding it, and you're moving your hands all over the place.
So I just need to just
try to,
as far as I can be with this.
A little eager on the throttle, that's why I pushed wide there. This is the tighter one. So you really want to sacrifice that left-hander a little more so that you get a better line through the right part there.
Okay.
Because that like cascades down into the next gate, right?
Okay.
And this is the quicker part of this whole section, right? So you want to be able to have that part like give up that corner a little so that you get this straightaway afterwards quicker, right?
Okay.
Again with the hands. Yeah, so if you need, I can show you again the last bit. Just one second.
All right, guys. So we just did 10 laps in the WRX. Then he did a lap to show me where I should be and what I should be doing. Unreal experience. So much going on in my head right now. I didn't even know what to think. But major takeaways is working on my hands and the steering technique. And the other thing is keeping my vision down the road to see what's coming up. And then my braking points and my acceleration points, I'll get better and better. We just gotta keep plugging away. But now we're gonna hop in the Focus and we're gonna get her dirty. All right, here we go. All right, guys, I'm all on my own now. Half an hour with the instructor in the RS, had an absolute blast, learned so much. But now I'm doing some hot laps by myself, trying to perfect what I've learned today. This RS is unbelievable. I am having so much fun, guys. I am gonna be back for sure. RaceLab is definitely the place to go if you want to learn how to drive properly. Crazy Leo, this is just awesome, man. Koss, thanks, buddy. I am having an absolute blast here. We got traction control off. We are going to hit this thing fast. Sometimes slow is fast, guys. I know it sounds counterproductive, but being slow in the right spots and fast in the right spots, I think, is the key to making sure you get really good lap times. Finding the right apexes, understanding where you need to enter chicanes to come out of the other end quicker. So many things, keeping your vision ahead. I've been doing that better. Getting the hand in over hand steering. It's coming along, guys. He said I'm starting to push it to the limit of what some of these corners can handle as far as speed going into them and through them. So that's good. I feel confident. I can feel that the car is at those limits without pulling it right out of the side. I might just have to build myself a real rallycross car that only for the rallycross. If I really get into this, but I'm loving it. It's feeling the edge of what you're able to push the car, and it's awesome, man. Here we go, guys. explain to you how amazing this is. I absolutely love it. Just the whole time on the fringe, man. I don't even know how to, you gotta try this sometime. This is so much fun. Whew. We are pushing the limits of this RS in my driving abilities right now. All right, guys, well, that was it for today. I had an absolute blast. Thank you to RaceLab, to Koss, to Crazy Leo. This was amazing. I will be back in December 100%. I need to get better. I feel really good with how I drove today for my first time, but I can definitely get better at it. So we'll be back. This Focus RS is the greatest thing I've ever bought. I had so much fun. And if you guys are liking what we're doing and what I'm trying to bring to you, you gotta subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, send it to a friend. We are gonna do more and more crazy stuff. The better I get, the more crazy it's gonna get. And we will catch you guys on the flip side.